guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Activities by Abir, and today I am going to teach you about features and movements of the Earth. Features of Earth. This is North Pole, this is South Pole, this is East and this is West. Features of Earth. These are lines of latitude. Lines that are parallel to the equator are called lines of latitude. And this is equator, this is prime meridian, and this is lines of longitude. Features of Earth. This is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere, this is eastern hemisphere, and this is western hemisphere. Definitions. Equator, an imaginary line that divides the Earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Equator is present in the middle of the Earth. Prime meridian, an imaginary line that divides the Earth into two halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It is present in the middle of the Earth. Lines of latitude. Imaginary lines that runs from east to west and are parallel to the equator are called lines of latitude. Lines of longitude. Imaginary lines that runs from north to south pole and are not parallel to the equator. They meet and are not parallel. They meet at the north and south pole. Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is the half of the Earth between the North Pole and the equator. Southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere is the half of the Earth between the South Pole and equator. Eastern hemisphere. It is lying in the east of the prime meridian. Western hemisphere. It is the half of the Earth that lies in the west of the prime meridian. Earth has two movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation. When Earth spins on its own axis is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours, 1 day, to complete one rotation. Rotation gives us day and night. Revolution. When Earth orbits around the Sun is called revolution. Earth takes 365 days, 1 year, to complete one revolution. Revolution gives us seasons. What are three characteristics of Earth that are responsible for varying amounts of sunlight? Answer. Shape of the Earth, tilt of the Earth, and movements of the Earth. On which imaginary line does Earth rotate? Answer. On its own axis. Revolution. Here you can see the diagram of revolution. Rotation. Here you can see the diagram of rotation. Movements of Earth. Main points. In summer we have long days and short nights. In winter we have short days and long nights. Both poles cannot face the sun at the same time because of the Earth tilt. The side of the Earth that faces the sun experiences day. Earth rotates on its own axis at the speed of 1670 km per hour. Earth revolves around the sun at the speed of 107,000 km per hour. I hope you have understood. Thank you.